So just a quickly overview of the results that we're gonna have. So most of you, I'm pretty sure you know about what we're talking about. So consistent normal pass, consistent depth, like a motion passes, generic, and then I built AO pass, which is, I mean, it is what it is, but you can use it maybe artistically or yeah, as an additional utility pass. It also will extract. I will show you what's the original plate here. Yeah, so it will also extract automatically some matte, trying to understand what's in the image. Is using SAM3 and segmentation to create the matte. It's far from roto perfect. Here is mostly as to use as a garbage matte. But I'm pretty sure you know already all about this, so I'm gonna move forward to the interesting part, which is the app itself. So I have already git pulled the everything and moved it here and installed. I did it previously, but it works pretty well. It's very everything is written in the repo. You're gonna find everything. It's pretty straightforward. It's gonna install everything. I tested it so far with my RTX 5090 Windows 11, but it should work on Linux. I didn't test it on a Docker, but it should be working. I mean, let me know in case, and we can see, we can improve it. Okay, let's go back to the app. So there we go. We have here everything installed. It's pretty straightforward. Here you have the launch pad. Just in case you want to see, I aim to update this tool with more models later to have like more options. Here, yeah, you just go inside the folder and you run plugins list, and you can see yeah, all the models that are now on the tool, and also you have also the commercial license. I mean the license. So if you want to know if this is like open source or yeah, you have to. It depends what you're using it for. If it's for testing or if it's commercial, yeah, you have to check one by one if you want to know how to use it properly. You can find them pretty easily. I'm pretty sure you know them in GitHub, on GitHub. Okay, let's move forward. I'm gonna launch it so I can show you quickly the app. Okay, this is launching pretty fast. I have changed this icon, which is horrible now, but not a biggie. Okay, so here I have my the plates EXR. For now, it only works with EXR sequence, file sequence. So if you need to, like, I don't know, import a MOV or other formats, you need to pre-render it into EXR. After this, it's just drag and drop. This is something very nice that I will explain. I will explain maybe later, or I wrote a tiny bit of it on the GitHub paper. But this is basically trying to recognize more or less what's the better exposure that we're gonna send the image into the model. You have also here some kind of automatic recognizing of the color space. Again, here, I'm pretty sure you know we are. This doesn't have to be color perfect. It's an approximation. It's not AOV is coming from 3D, which is mathematically accurate. This is mostly it's trying to approximate what it is, like a normal and the depth and all this kind of informations from the image. So here, this is mostly what it is that the model is gonna see. So if you have a very dark image, you should always try to balance it, normalize it as much as you can. Yeah, this one, for example, is too bright probably. And that's it. So once we are happy, we're gonna go into here. Here you can render the final the output SIDECAR EXR sequence utility into the same folder, or you just go into a subfolder of the same input file source, or you choose your folder where you want to create all of them. I like this option mostly. You have a nice show log panel here. We're gonna see later. This is super important, guys. Okay, so proxy resolution. I tried to run other plates, not just this, which is full HD. Actually, Action VFX. This is Action VFX plates, free plates for exercising that you can find on their website. But I tested it on other plates that we have in the studio, and when it is 4K, 6K, this can struggle because it is, most of the models are reformatting internally, but it depends how they work. If you have too big plates, they may struggle, and you can have like your video card going into telling you this is too much. So OOM, how it's called, overflow, memory overflow, VRAM overflow. So in order to avoid that, I would always go with, if you have enough power on your video card. I tested also, this one is pretty fast. I didn't test this one, but the lower we go, the less information we give to the model. This proxy comes before the model, so we are reformatting before going in straight into the model. So I would go for this one, or actually, yeah, for now it's fine. All right, so this is applying to every shot that you have in the list here, which is, I think, convenient again. Here, the most interesting bit, we are deciding which pass we're gonna have in the AOV. So I would call always, this one is very nice, the video depth anything. It's quite fast as well. So depth crafter, video depth anything, they're both very good. I left this depth anything and depth pro, but they are not frame consistent, so not very interesting for video. This one for normals as well. The only one that is for now that I found that is maybe I'm missing, so let me know in case, because I can add it. But for now I only see normal crafter as a frame consistent normal map model, and then SEM3 and matte anything, that's the other one. So SEM3 recognizing the image, trying to find what's in the image, and matte anything, matting out whatever it is there. So this is something that you have in ComfyUI. I'm pretty sure most of us is using in studios right now to create garbage, to create temp rotos or whatever. It's speeding up a lot the process already. Okay, we are all there set up. Let's click this one. So this is gonna apply everything it's gonna apply on every passes these settings, so that if you want to have a separate pass for one shot, you can still do it. That's pretty cool, I think. Okay, I'm gonna launch it, and we are almost there. We're back again. Let's check what we have now. As I was showing, this is the result. So play and all the AOV coming from our LiveActionAOV tool. As I was saying, the matte is what it is. It's not gonna be your final roto, but it's pretty good to have some kind of free matte already coming with it. Sometimes you got the trees, sometimes you got other bit coming out from it, so it's very handy. Inside the repo, you're gonna have this little relight tool. I'm not sure you need it. There are many around, but this one I made it like properly for the AOV that is coming out. So all the passes here coming with it. Let's see. Okay. Yes. So let's see. Yes. So I can try to relight it. I can just point wherever I want to add the light, and that's it. So in this case, I would be super cool to create muzzle flash. You can decide how much it's gonna be strong your light. You can tweak a tiny bit of everything. Yeah, the size of the light itself, and then there is also a tiny bit of a time off. A space, distance, depth offset, because sometimes the calculation, again, it's not mathematical, it's an approximation. All the AOVs, they stay between 0 and 1 pixel value, because again, this is not a linear render coming from a CG engine, 3D render engine, which is calculating the distance in space. This one is, again, just an approximation, but it's most scenarios for compositors to create the relighting like this, or simple relighting, simple depth of field for the focusing, or mostly the fogginess or atmos, whatever. This is very handy. You have the specular here as well. A tiny bit of this is pretty cool. That is calculating something like the specular. Then you can select different part of the body, for example, a different specular. And yeah, that's it. This is like, bam, we have our muzzle flash light interaction pretty much there, which is pretty cool. What else? Nothing. If it is still working, they should have this. Yes, so you can see it with the point cloud, and you can change the position of the light yourself in space. So yeah, that's it. I think that's all about this tool. Thank you very much. Let me know